All right. Good evening, guys. Hello. Can you hear my voice? It is clear. All right. Thank you very much. Okay. Okay. How are you doing, guys? Is it great?
Hello, good evening.
Yes. Hello.
I'm great.
Okay. Thank you. Alhamdulillah. How about Mbak Shirley? Yeah. Actually, I can't hear your voice, Mbak Shirley, because you're mute.
Oh, sorry.
Okay.
I'm mute.
How are you today?
I'm great, thank you.
Okay. Nice to
Sorry,
Yeah.
on Tuesday and Thursday,
Yes. On
I
Tuesday.
can join this class
Okay.
because I have exhibition at Kemayoran, Jakarta.
All right. No problem. Yes. Okay. Nice. And how about Pak Dada?
Yeah, actually, I'm newcomer here. Newcomer.
Yes. It
Yeah,
is my
maybe
voice clear.
first meeting. Excuse me?
I'm sorry. I don't hear your voice clearly. Actually.
Yeah, I'm newcomer here. Can you
Oh.
hear my voice?
Yes, I can.
Yeah.
But it's not too
This
clearly.
is my first meeting with you.
Oh, it's your first meeting in this class, right? All right. Pak Mansur, are you good? Yeah. And how about Mbak Isna?
Hello, I'm here.
Okay, can you turn on your camera? I want to see your face.
Yeah.
Okay, maybe all of you guys can turn on your camera. And Mbak Fusrina, how about you? Are you good?
Fine, Miss.
Fine. All
Mrs.
right. Nice. And Mbak Leni? It's great.
I'm good, Miss.
All right. Thank you for the response. Okay. Now we will start our meeting, right? Okay, now can you see my screen?
I see, Miss.
All right,
I
thank
see,
you.
Miss.
Yes. So, yeah, welcome all of you guys to speaking class as usual, right? All right, as usual, there's a caution. There are cautions. So whatever happens, stay and do what I say. Jadi apapun terjadi tetap stay ya. Dan you will make mistakes, so don't worry to make mistake. Jadi jangan takut untuk membuat kesalahan karena kesalahan merupakan proses dari pembelajaran ya. And everything's on purpose. Jadi semuanya memiliki tujuan. Alright. Okay, we move to the next slide. Right. Can you see this picture?
Yes, Miss.
Yes. Okay. What do you think about this picture? What does the picture tell you?
Daily activity,
Then
Right.
city.
Exactly. Okay.
and then the traffic light. Traffic light.
Traffic light. Yes. How about Pak Joni? What do you think about this picture?
I think daily activity
Yes.
in city.
Okay. Yeah, it's a bit crowded, right? Sangat padat ya di perkotaan
Yes.
mungkin ya. Jadi mereka sedang melakukan kegiatan sehari-harinya ya.
Yes,
Alright.
Miss.
Oke, kira-kira dari gambar ini kita akan mendiskusikan apa nih kira-kira untuk hari ini? What we will discuss for today topic when we see it on the picture.
Activity all the people in the city.
Yeah, exactly. Good. Okay. Now we move to the next. Yeah, here are some vocabularies ya. Jadi ini ada beberapa vocab terkait meeting hari ini, pertemuan hari ini. So, how about this vocab? Pernah dengar nggak vocabnya? Kira-kira ada yang pernah atau asing mungkin? Masih asing.
What is
Number 5 maybe. Curious. What's
Yeah,
the meaning?
have you ever heard about this word?
No. Course.
Mbak Shirley, have you
Curious.
heard?
Number 5. What's
Number
the meaning?
5.
Curious.
Yes. What is the meaning? What is meaning? Course.
Course.
How about the all of you guys? Kira-kira kata yang mana yang udah pernah didengar? Atau masih ada?
Rumah tangga.
Number 5, number 8.
Routines, number 1, activities.
Yes, number 1. Routine, activities. Okay.
Schedules.
Yes, schedule.
Responsibility.
Okay.
Task.
Pleasure.
All of you know about
Number
this
5
word.
and number 8.
Good. Oke, jadi lumayan ya, udah banyak yang pernah dengar berarti ya, nggak terlalu asing. Oke. Okay, we will discuss one by one, right? So, number 1, how you pronounce this word?
Routine.
Routine? Yes.
Kebiasaan apa? Keseharian ya.
Habit kebiasaan.
Rutinitas.
Isn't that how you pronounce this word?
Habit kebiasaan.
Yes, habit kebiasaan. For number 1.
Number 1, routine. Number 2, kebiasaan. Number 3, activity.
Yes.
Number 4, rule. Number 5, cross. And then
Responsibilities. Okay. Thank you. Yes. Okay, for number 1, for the first word, we pronounce that routine. Routine, right? Yes, routine is rutin, ya, rutinitas gitu ya. Jadi rutin atau rutinitas itu kegiatan ya, atau yang hal-hal yang kita lakukan secara teratur. Jadi rutinitas, right? Okay, number 2, Mbak Shirley, how you pronounce this word?
Habits.
Habits. All right. Habits. We pronounce habits. Jadi ujungnya tuh seperti ada i gitu. Habits. Right? Habit artinya adalah
Kebiasaan.
yes, kebiasaan. So number 1 is routine. Number 2, habits. Yes. All right. Number 3. Activities.
Kegiatan.
Activities is kegiatan atau aktivitas ya. Alright. And then number 4, Pak Dadang, how you pronounce this word?
Jadwal.
How you pronounce this word?
Schedule.
Schedule. Alright. Yes. Schedule. Schedule. So what is that meaning? Schedule is jadwal. Yes. Schedule. Yeah. Jadwal. And then number 5. Mbak Leni, how you pronounce this word?
Course.
Course. Yes,
Course.
course.
Pekerjaan rumah tangga.
Yeah.
Course.
Yeah, course. Pekerjaan rumah tangga ya. Okay, next number 6. Pak Joni, how you pronounce this word?
Responsibilities.
Number 6, responsibilities.
Responsibilities.
Tanggung jawab.
Yeah,
Yes.
tanggung jawab ya.
Responsibilities.
Okay. For number 6 is tanggung jawab. And then number 7, how about Mbak Kusrina?
Sure. Santai.
Number 7, how we pronounce this word?
Santai, Miss. Santai. Leisure.
Leisure. Leisure.
Santai.
Yes.
Leisure.
itu
Santai.
waktu senggang, santai, atau waktu luang ya. Leisure.
Leisure.
So the next one, Mbak Manise, how you pronounce this word?
Errands.
Errand. Errand. Ada S ya, errand. Yes, errand. Artinya apa? Errand. Errand is tugas. Tugas atau urusan. Errand. Yes. Okay, next number 9. Mbak Isnayati, Mbak Isniyati. How you pronounce this word?
Routines.
Yeah, routine. Routine. Ini same ya, same with number 1. Jadi ini katanya sama maknanya dengan nomor 1, cuman bedanya ada S-nya ya. Nah, kalau ada S-nya berarti nomor 9 ini adalah jamak ya. Jadi kegiatan, serangkaian kegiatan yang dilakukan secara teratur. Jadi rutinitas yang benar-benar banyak gitu. Karena ada S. Okay, for number 1 is rutin. Jadi mungkin satu kegiatan aja gitu, satu rutinitas. Tapi untuk nomor 9 banyak rutinitasnya ya. We use S. Okay, routines ya, rutinitas atau kegiatan rutin ya. Okay, the last one. What is that? Mbak Ida?
Okay, thank you, Miss. Past.
Task. Alright, yes, task. Ini juga ada S ya. So ini plural. Jadi tugas, artinya tugas. Berarti tugasnya banyak. So tugas-tugas gitu ya. Task. Nah, biasanya kita juga bisa sebut dengan exercise, tugas, tasks.
Bisa yang banyak.
Alright, guys. So now after we know the vocabulary, okay, Mbak Shirley, are you raise hand?
What the different meanings between errands and
Yes,
tasks?
errands and tasks. Ya, kalau errands, maybe dia kegiatannya lebih ke urusan pekerjaan ya. Jadi kegiatan atau urusan gitu, urusan pekerjaan. Nah, kalau tasks ini lebih umum, bisa dipakai untuk pekerjaan rumah mungkin ya. Kegiatan-kegiatan yang dilakukan di rumah atau kegiatan tugas sekolah gitu. Tasks. Alright.
Okay, thank you.
You got it? Okay, thank you very much for asking. Mbak Shirley, now we move to the next slide. Okay. Okay, can you see this question? Okay, jadi ini ada 5 pertanyaan ya. Describe your daily life. Nah, number 1, what does a typical day look like for you? Nah, jadi di sini nanti ada 5 pertanyaan. Nanti seperti biasa, saya beri waktu 2 menit untuk mengerjakan atau menjawabnya. You may write the answer on your notebook, and then nanti kita akan practice speaking 1 orang 1 menit. Oke. Sebelumnya kita ini juga ulas pertanyaan-pertanyaannya. Jadi number 1, what does a typical day look like for you? Jadi kira-kira apa kegiatan atau keseharian yang kamu lakukan gitu, right? Yang Bapak Ibu lakukan pada umumnya, kegiatannya, kesehariannya. For number 1, okay? And then number 2, can you share some of your daily routine or habits? Bolehkah Anda membagikan tentang beberapa kegiatan sehari-harinya atau kebiasaannya ya. Itu number 2. And then number 3, what activities do you enjoy during your daily life? Aktivitas apa yang kamu sukai ya selama keseharian kamu ya dalam kehidupan sehari-harinya. And then number 4, are there any specific responsibilities or chores you have on a daily basis? Jadi, apakah ada tugas khusus yang dilakukan pada waktu kesehariannya? Tugas khusus atau tanggung jawab? Yes, responsibilities and chores. Tugas atau urusan khusus ya, specific. And then the last one is, how do you usually spend your leisure time in a day? Okay, leisure time itu adalah waktu senggang ya. Jadi bagaimana Bapak Ibu menghabiskan waktu senggangnya dalam sehari gitu. Soalnya dalam sehari itu punya waktu senggang berapa jam gitu, dari jam berapa dan apa yang biasanya dilakukan di jam tersebut. Okay, you got it? So you can answer now. I will give you 2 minutes for prepare your answer. Okay? And then I will back. Okay, you can write on your note maybe.
What does a typical do? What does a typical day look like for you? Seperti apa hari-hari biasa bagi Anda? Siapa hari biasa bagi Anda? Enjoy dan happy. Saya sudah lepas dari segala beban berat. Jadi bisa nikmati hari dengan hari-hari dengan sendirian, seperti apa hari biasa bagi Anda? Senang,
Ay,
All right, are you finished? I hope you're finished, yeah.
I want finish number 1, Miss.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
How about the other? Are you finished?
Number 1.
One. Okay. You may continue the next number. All right. So now we will practice. Time to practice. Okay. You want to present first about your daily life. Jadi siapa nih kira-kira yang udah selesai dan mau maju yang pertama?
Number 1, Miss. I want to try.
Okay, Mbak Isna, you may try.
Yeah.
Your camera.
Yeah.
Okay, yes.
Pertanyaannya tadi? I want to try the answer number 1. What does a typical day look like for you? Dan seperti apa hari biasa bagi Anda? And then, sir, happy, enjoy, because at this age, I can only live without burden because my child is already working. Jadi maksudnya di sini, saya sudah lepas dari segala beban berat, jadi bisa menikmati hari-hari dengan happy karena anak-anak sudah kerja. Oke.
Okay, thank you very much, Mbak Isna. Okay, how about the next number? You don't finish yet? Mbak Isna, for number 2, 3, 4, 5. Are you prepared for the answer?
Yes, we are ready.
All right, maybe Mbak Ida Tirta, do you want to try?
Not yet, Miss.
Not yet. Okay, not finished yet, right? Okay, no problem. You may continue to answer, right? And I will call you soon. Okay, how about the other? Pak Joni, are you ready? Are you ready? I think you are ready right now.
Okay, I will try,
Okay.
Miss and everyone. Good evening. Okay, number 1, does a typical day look like for you? In activity, I like because I'm employee in corporates. And number 2, I am share daily routine or habits. Yeah, every day. Start Monday to Friday. I'm visit to field. Yeah, this morning around 7 to 10 a.m. After that, back to office. Yeah, I'm take note finding in fields, and then part to reports. Yeah, reports. Report to my boss. And number 3, yeah, activity. Do you enjoy during your day? Yes, I am enjoy doing activity because activity is a hobby. Yeah, my hobby. Sorry. And number 4, yeah, are there my specific responsibility you have? Yes, my responsibility is controllers activity progress in tasks, yeah, or jobs in at conference. Yeah. Number 5, yeah, usually spend your least time in day. I'm use share my team, yeah, and share and apa nongkrong apa Miss? Nongkrong in English? Sorry.
Yes, you can say chill out.
Yes, it can chill out ya. Okay, well done Miss. Thank you.
Okay, thank you very much. Pak Joni, sounds great.
Yes.
Yeah. Okay, next we move to any other participant finish.
Okay, Miss, I try.
Okay, Pak Dadang.
Yeah.
Yes.
The time is how they look like for you.
I'm sorry.
Yeah.
Actually, I don't hear your voice clearly.
Test,
Maybe
test.
you
Can you
can.
speak? Can you
turn on.
hear? Test, test. Halo.
Ya. Sebenarnya suaranya kedengaran, cuman kurang besar. Ya. Oke. Gimana Pak Dadang?
Okay. Maybe others can first. I'll try to fix my speaker.
Oh, okay. So do you want to
Can share some
switch
of your
to
daily
speaker now?
Oh yeah.
Alright, now. Oke, karena Mbak Shirley udah raise hand ya, boleh. Tadi Pak Dadang mau memperbaiki speakernya dulu. Oke, no problem. Boleh, Mbak Shirley, you can describe your daily life. You can share to us.
Okay. May I combine all the answer?
Yeah, of course.
Okay. Every day, I usually prepare breakfast for my family. And after they go to the school and my husband go to work around 6:30 o'clock, I wash dishes and go to bed and prepare myself for go to work 8 to 5 in textile company as marketing. After coming home from work, I went back to preparing dinner. After finish, I go shower and cleaning the house. Around at 8 p.m., I have a leisure time. Usually, I watching Drakor until I'm sleepy. But every Wednesday at 5 p.m., I go to exercise Zumba. And Friday, I go exercise badminton at 5 to 8 p.m. Okay, that's all. Thank you, Miss.
Okay, great. Thanks, Mbak Shirley, for sharing about your daily life. Yes. Now, how about Pak Dadang? Kira-kira udah bisa diperbaiki speakernya?
Tes, cek.
Oke, ya kedengaran juga masih belum besar volumenya Pak.
Oh ya.
Oke, no problem. You may try. Yes. Saya akan berusaha mendengarnya. Mungkin boleh dibesarin aja ya volumenya ya. Volume besarnya. Okay, you may try to answer the question.
Yeah, I'll try to combine my answer. Cek, yeah. Wait a minute. Let's see the question. Yeah, about my days. I think the days I live are the same with other people, with most people, that I have to work to support the family's need for my children and my wife. And my daily activities, I work as a civil servant from 7:30 in the morning until 5 p.m. in the afternoon. But sometimes I often go home late because I have to work overtime. Yeah, maybe sometimes there are activities that must be completed in that day. The time I enjoy every day is when I came home from work, from office, and meet my wife and my children. I have specific responsibilities in the office, because I have several I have several staff, and there are targets that must be completed within a certain time. Yeah, and I usually spend my leisure time to go to my hometown. Actually, I live in Jakarta and my hometown in Bandung. And sometime to spend my leisure time, I come to Bandung to visit my mother and other family. Thank you. That's all.
Okay, thank you very much, Pak Dadang, for share about your daily life. Alright, nice. Ya, oke. Sebenarnya tadi suaranya kurang ini ya, kurang besar. Tapi nggak apa. Ya, saya dapat dengar.
Iya.
Dengar. Ya. Okay, thanks. Okay, we move now. Mbak Kusrina, are you ready?
List number, Miss.
Yes.
Uh,
Are you ready with
Nomor
that?
berapa?
Semua.
Number 4. 4 or 5?
All of the number you answer.
All of number berarti semua. Oh, dari nomor 1 ya, Miss?
Ya, benar.
What does a typical day look like for you? Yeah. The day look like for me is leaving the house to work. Yeah. Terus number 2, can you share some of your daily routines or habits? My activities every day after wake up, I pray, shower, have breakfast, and go to work. Number 3, what activities do you enjoy during your daily life? My activities during daily life is sleep. 4, are there any specific responsibilities or chores you have on a daily basis? I have special chores every day. Making breakfast, dropping off school my son, and picking up and dropping off courses. And later, number 5, how do you usually spend your leisure time in a day? I spend time every day taking care of flowers. Okay, Miss, enough. Thank you.
All right, nice. Thank you very much, Mbak Kusrina. Yes.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yes, Miss.
Okay. Okay, thank you. Now we move to. Okay, who want to go? Chair. How about Pak Setia Budi? Are you still with us?
Thank you, Miss.
Okay, thanks.
I'm sorry because I'm delayed study is ngantuk. Itu apa ya? Sleepy.
Okay, no problem. Okay, yes.
What does a typical day look like for you? I like go to garden, Miss. can you share some of your daily routine or habit? Daily routine, I work in hospital Dr. Cipto Mangunkusumo. My job physiotherapist geriatric. What activities do you enjoy during your daily life? I am enjoy treatment geriatric because multi-pathogen condition so full challenge. Are you any specific responsibility or course you have on a daily basis? I am cooking, I am washing, and I am open your clinic physiotherapist. How do you usually spend your last time in day? Usually I am study apa ya? Saya belajar menyanyi itu apa, Miss? I'm study singing from condition by treatment to patient. So to have condition dari restriksi paru. Maksud saya belajar bernyanyi untuk berlatih mengganti bentuk latihan pernafasan paru gitu. Thank you.
Okay, nice. Yes. Okay, thank you, Pak Budi. Pak Setia Budi ya, sharing
Thank you. Yeah.
daily life. All right. Now we move to who's next? Who's next? Mbak Manise, are you ready? Mbak Manise?
Yeah.
All right. Yes.
Usually I get up at 5 o'clock and then I go to the classroom.
Okay, Miss, I will try. My typical day are as usually go to the office, and before that prepare for breakfast, and then in the morning in the morning when I get up, I pray to the Lord and then follow morning prayer online. After that, after that, I'm breakfast and then go to the office. When I go home, sometimes, when I go home, sometimes go to the church, and then for exercises ya, mis latihan nyanyi, singing.
Yes, exercise.
I have specific responsibility. Wash clothes and scrub clothes. I think that's enough. Thank you, Miss.
All right. Yes. Thanks, Mbak Manise. It's great. Okay. Now, Mbak Isniati, you raise hand ya. Yes. Okay.
Okay. Thank you, Miss. I will try to answer. A typical day look like to me is walking is my office. Some of my daily routine are work up in the morning, prepare to go office, make a letter to finish
my tasks of my officer. And then I enjoy during my daily life if I have activities together with my husband, and specific responsibilities is make a report to my task. Sometimes create media for publication to my project, and I spend my leisure time to read books, exercise or sport, or go to mountain sometimes. That's Miss. Thank you.
All right. Okay, sounds good. Yes, thank you, Mbak Isniati, for sharing about your daily life.
Hi, Miss.
All right. Yes, you may, Mbak Isna.
Yeah. Number one, have. We continue. Number 2. Can you share some of your daily rutinitas or habits? Dapatkah Anda membagikan beberapa rutinitas atau kebiasaan harian Anda? My rutinitas, in the morning I clean the room, the house, and feed the rabbit and then cats. Sometimes go to the garden. Number 3, what activities do you enjoy during your daily life? Aktivitas apa yang Anda sukai dalam kehidupan sehari-hari? Number 1, stay at home while reading in the Quran, and then sometimes listening to music, and then visiting my little sister for a little story. Number 4, are there any specific responsibilities or chores you have on a daily basis? Apakah ada tanggung jawab atau tugas khusus yang Anda miliki setiap hari? No, because I live alone at home. Then number 5, how do you usually spend your leisure time is a day? Bagaimana biasanya Anda menghabiskan waktu senggang dalam sehari? And then stay at home because I am a person who doesn't like traveling, so home is the most comfortable place. Okay, Miss. Thank you.
Yes, okay. Okay, great. Thank you, Mbak Isna.
You are welcome, Miss.
So, who's next? Who's next? Next nih, siapa kira-kira selanjutnya? Mbak Desi. Mbak Desi, are you here? Mbak Desi. Oke, mungkin Mbak Desi sebelum terhubung. Oke, nanti kita akan panggil lagi ya. Now we have Mbak Ida. Oke, yang udah raise hand. Mbak Ida, are you ready? Yes, now it's time.
Yes, Miss. Usually, I get up at 5 o'clock and then I go to the bathroom. I shower and then go to the temple.
Yeah. Okay.
Number 2, I can share some of my daily routines. At 7 a.m., I am always praying. After that, I prepare for menu. Number 3, I am enjoyed during daily life as caring for Tambulepot. Number 4, specific responsibilities of course. I have course every day with my husband as praying at the temple. Because I am an my husband is a rohaniawan itu. Yeah. Number 5, how do you usually spend your leisure time in a day? I stay at home and exercise to speaking English and doing exercise. Okay, enough, Miss. Thank you.
All right, good. Yes, thanks, Mbak Ida, for sharing about your daily life. Now we move to Mbak Desi. How about Mbak Desi? Are you still with us? Mbak Desi? Masih belum ada respon ya?
Oh,
Okay,
sorry.
yes.
Sorry.
Yeah, no problem, Mbak.
Okay, Miss. But I'm sorry.
Are you ready?
Saya nggak bisa buka kamera.
Okay, nggak apa-apa, boleh.
Sorry, Miss. Yeah, I will try. Number 1, what does a typical day look like for you? I work in government office, and to share my daily routine. I always wake up in the morning at 5 o'clock, and I have to prepare breakfast for my family. and then at 8 o'clock, I have to go to office. And number 3, activities on enjoy during your day. Sometimes I go to Miss.
Yes, Kak Desi.
Sorry.
You may continue.
There are make noise around me. Sorry. Specific responsibility to. Yeah, I have to work in the morning, after night for my family, because only one woman in this house. So I have to prepare anything in this house. And number 5, how do you usually spend? I seldom spend my leisure time, but if I have time, I want to go to a mall or take a break at apa? Pijit kaki apa, Miss? Hello, Miss?
Refleksi.
Refleksi, yeah.
Yes.
Thank you, man.
Okay.
Yeah.
I'm sorry.
That's all, Miss.
Okay, are you finished?
Yes, I'm finished, Miss.
Okay, nice. Thank you very much, Mbak Desi, for sharing about your daily life. Yeah, next, we move to Mbak Ida. Udah tadi ya? Okay, siapa nih yang dulu? Mbak Shirley? Are you ready?
Done, Miss.
Yes. Okay.
Now I have done.
Sorry. Yeah, I'm sorry. You're done, yeah. Okay, now we move to the last one, ya. Yang belum siapa? Atau
Maybe
udah?
Pak Mansur. Pak
Mansur.
Mansur.
Pak Mansur? Yes.
Yes, yes, very good.
Are you done? Not yet. Okay, you may go.
I answer
Hi,
your
Miss.
question. Number one, what does a typical day look like for you? I like typical day look, walk in the garden and sweep the yard at home. Number two, can you share some of your daily routine or habits? Yes, daily routine are pray, exercise, walking in the garden, and read book and open recording Zoom English. Number three, what activities do you enjoy during your daily life? I enjoy activities walking in the garden. So that plan, etc. So number four, are there any specific responsibility or chores you have on a daily basis? Apakah responsibility? Yes, but yes, a responsibility training plan so that growth and training plan so that growth and then sweep the yard home. Number five, how do you usually spend your leisure time in a day? Bagaimana Anda biasanya menghabiskan waktu? I usually went to beach and mountain together, my wife and children, and eating the garden. That's all. Thank you. Thank you, Miss. Enough.
Okay, good. Yes. Okay, thank you very much, Pak Mansur. So,
I'm not yet, Miss.
yes, baru saya ingin tanya tadi siapa yang belum. So,
I'm sorry because I'm
yes, who speak? I'm sorry.
working now.
Yes, no problem. You may go. Yes, Mbak Leni.
Yeah, I'm sorry. I'm working another.
Okay,
Yes, I
are you ready
try.
now?
Yes, I'm ready, Miss.
Okay, yes.
Okay, number one. I am working at Ministry of Environment and Forestry, and every day from Monday until Friday, I'm working in the office. On Saturday, I will clean the house, wash clothes, and cook. Sometimes I must help my child to learn and playing. Number two, I can share some daily routine because I'm working, and maybe number 2 and 4, I'm combined.
because I'm the head, that is specific responsibility. I must to divide the work among his staff about social forestry. But now I stay alone in Ternate. Not the same with my family. After month, I will go to Ambon. And if I'm in Ambon, my routines day is take the child to school, breakfast. Number 5, if I have leisure time, I will playing with my child, go for a walk, eating out, and picnic to the beach. Maybe just it, Miss. Thank you.
All right, good. Yeah. Thank you very much, Mbak Leni. Okay. So now, after we practice as usual, yes, we move to the correction or feedback. Okay. Okay, we move to correction ya. Nah, jadi dalam penggunaan aktivitas, jika kita memiliki beberapa aktivitas, sama halnya dengan pembelajaran yang lalu ya, feedbacknya jika banyak aktivitasnya kita menggunakan are, dan jika satu aktivitasnya yang kita sebut kita boleh pakai is. Okay? Now, we can use is for to be. Nah, jika kita menggunakan to be, I am share. I am share. Nah, ini salah. Jadi kalau ada to be, pastinya kita menggunakan verb ing.
I'm sharing.
I'm sharing. Yes. Seperti ini, ya. Jadi I'm sharing, not I'm share. Okay? So penggunaan jamak dan tunggal. Jadi ada beberapa kata dalam bahasa Inggris, penggunaan jamak dan tunggalnya tidak melulu kita tambahkan s atau es. Contohnya seperti anak ya. Nah, for anak, ini bahasa Inggrisnya child. Yes. This is bacanya not child, but child.
Child.
Child, yes. Nah,
Child.
ini child ini kalau anaknya satu orang.
Children.
Oke, kalau anaknya lebih dari satu, so we use ini, children, not childs. Bukan child tambah s ya. Bukan seperti ini, but children. Oke, jadi child and children. Children ini jika lebih dari satu ya. Oke, now sama juga seperti tadi ada I am enjoy. It's not correct. Yang benarnya adalah I am enjoy.
Enjoy.
Ya, seperti ini ya. Jadi ingat, jika ada to be selalu ada verb ing. Mereka tidak boleh dipisah. Oke. Nah, karena ini kegiatan sehari-hari, kita boleh menggunakan present simple saja. So, jadi present simple kita pakai
I enjoy.
verb 1. Yes, verb 1. Oke. Next, my responsibilities. My responsibilities. Nah, ini berarti tanggung jawabnya lebih dari satu ya.
Are.
Yes, we use are, not is. Oke. Kalau tanggung jawabnya banyak. Misalnya saya harus memasak untuk anak-anak, terus kemudian saya membersihkan rumah, jadi punya banyak tanggung jawab ya. We use are. Kalau misalnya kita sebutin satu, kita boleh bilang my responsibility is. Okay? Or my responsibility. Alright. Now, masih juga di correction yang sama ya. I watching. I watching. It's not correct.
I am watching.
Benarnya I am
watching.
Watching, yes. I am watching television, watching YouTube, watching drakor, gitu ya.
Watching movie.
Yes, watching movie. Oke, nah kita mau bilang misalnya kita mau bilang di waktu luang saya, biasanya saya pergi ke mana misalnya, pergi ke rumah nenek, atau menjenguk nenek gitu ya, atau pergi ke rumah paman, atau pulang kampung mungkin di waktu senggangnya ya, karena dekat mungkin kampungnya cuma beberapa jam. In my leisure time. Biasanya, usually, I go. Nah, I go to my
hometown.
Grandma atau hometown boleh. Hometown. Nah, instead we use go to, kita boleh bilang visit. Kita juga boleh pakai visit. Jadi, usually I visit. Visit.
My grandma.
Visit my grandma. Yes. Atau hometown ya. Go to hometown. Next. Oke. Nah, kalau kita mau bilang biasanya kita bekerja cuma di rumah aja. Gimana?
I always work.
Yes, not leaving the house to work, but usually
I work at home.
I work at home. Yes. Usually I work at home. Atau my daily activities is working at home. Right. Yes. Now, jadi juga ada pemilihan kata tadi ya. Instead we use I go to, we can use visit. Sama juga seperti sleep. Misalnya kesehariannya in my daily life, I sleep at all. Jadi saya tidur aja gitu. Santai tidur ya. I sleep.
Miss.
Yes.
Kalau bermalas-malasan gitu apa dia, Miss? Gimana ngomongnya?
Malas-malasan. Yes, lazy. Lazy is malas. Lazy ya. Jadi sama kita misalnya bisa bilang kayak sleep juga. Jadi itu kan lazy sleep ya. Pasti kalau males bawaannya pengen tiduran aja ya. Kita bisa bilang I go to bed. Go to bed is sleep. Go to my bed. Jadi saya suka menghabiskan waktu. I like to spend my time to sleep at all atau go to bed.
Atau I lay on my bed kali ya.
Yeah, I only on my bed. Yeah,
rolling on the bed, Miss.
Go to bed. Only. Okay, now the next ya. Oke. Kalau menjemput, how to say menjemput anak?
Pick up.
Pick up, yes. I pick up. Misalnya punya anak laki-laki, my son, my daughter. Yes, I pick up. Not I picking up, right? Yes. Now, misalnya kita juga mau bilang kita bekerja di suatu tempat sebagai seorang apa? I work at hospital misalnya. Hospital.
Rumah sakit.
Nah, ngapain di hospital? Buat apa di hospital? Misalnya kerja apa? Kita bisa bilang kita sebagai apa posisinya. Misalnya I work at hospital as a nurse. Sebagai seorang perawat atau as a doctor. Yes. Kita boleh bilang posisinya sebagai apa ya? Oke. Next. Nah, usually biasanya saya suka belajar. Belajar memasak, belajar menyanyi. How to say?
Usually, I like
to
learning. I like learning. I like to sing.
Yes, to sing. Atau saya suka to sing a song.
Usually I like to cook.
Yes, to improve my voice misalnya ya. Jadi biasanya saya suka bernyanyi untuk meningkatkan suara saya. Atau kita juga mau bilang biasanya saya pas waktu luang itu belajar bahasa Inggris. Gimana cara bilangnya?
Usually, I like to. I like study English.
Study.
Yes. Usually,
I like studying English.
Usually, I study.
Oh.
Study.
Oh, I study English.
Study English. Atau boleh pakai I like. I like to practice.
Oh,
Jadi mempraktis ya. Practice my
I like to practice my English.
Yes, my English. I like to practice my English. Jadi sama seperti belajar bahasa Inggris. Kita boleh pakai seperti ini polanya. Nggak melulu boleh pakai study. I study, I learning, gitu ya. So, kita bisa bilang practice. Practice itu juga sama dengan belajar. Jadi mempraktik. Misalnya, I practice my speaking skill in front of the mirror. I speak with myself. Jadi dia praktik bahasa Inggrisnya dengan diri dia sendiri dengan cara to speak in front of the mirror. Jadi berbicara di depan cermin. Praktiknya dengan dirinya sendiri. Itu juga boleh. Praktik itu sudah menggantikan kata belajar ya. Okay, we can use this word, this vocab. Okay, next. Boleh juga misal tadi I like to sing a song to improve my voice atau to practice my breathing. Itu melatih ya. Melatih pernapasan.
My breathing.
Yes. Okay, next. Nah, kalau tugas tadi ya, ada tunggal dan ada jamak ya. Course dan courses. Misalnya, kita mau bilang banyak tugasnya, we use ES. Alright?
Yes, ES.
I have, misalnya, I have a course. A course. Nah, kalau misalnya ada pakai S, itu salah. Karena di sini ada E. Kalau ini dia hanya tunggal atau singular, satu aja course tugasnya. Tapi kalau kita mau bilang banyak course-nya, kita boleh use I have some courses. Yes. Atau I have, kalau mau bilang satu course-nya, I have a course. Saya punya satu tugas. Misalnya, my specific course is to wash the dishes. Jadi, tugasnya tuh tugas khususnya di rumah sebagai cuci piring ya, bagian cuci piring misalnya. Bagiannya punya mungkin ada orang lain dia bagian cuci piring, wash the dishes. Yes. wash the dish. Okay. Next. Nah, kita bisa bilang seorang yang memang mengerjakan pekerjaan rumah. Apalagi ibu-ibu nih misalnya ya. Kita bisa bilang housewife, ibu rumah tangga ya. I am a housewife. Yes. So I do all the activities at home, such as. Nah, misalnya dia mau bilang saya semuanya mengerjakan pekerjaan rumah gitu, karena saya sendiri atau saya seorang perempuan gitu. Jadi tugasnya tuh banyak ya, mengerjakan misalnya mencuci baju, menyapu rumah, atau mencuci piring gitu ya, menyiapkan makanan untuk anak. Kita bisa bilang I am a housewife, so I do all the activities at home, such as cooking for my children, and then sweep the floor, menyapu lantai, and then wash the clothes. Nah, wash the clothes itu mencuci baju. Okay. And then karena dia semuanya mengerjakannya sendiri gitu ya, berarti dia tinggal sendiri contohnya ya. Atau kita bilang saya tinggal sendiri, hidup sebatang kara. Kita bisa bilang I stay alone with myself. There is no one or family. Ini untuk mengimprove our English, our sentence ya, untuk meningkatkan kosakata atau cara penggunaan kalimatnya. Jadi kita bisa bilang saya tinggal sendiri, nggak ada satu orang pun di sini. Jadi kita bisa bilang I stay alone with myself. Jadi saya tinggal sendiri dengan diri sendiri. There is no one.
Yeah.
Jadi tidak ada seorang pun or family here. Jadi nggak ada seorang pun atau keluarga saya di sini. Gitu. Okay. Next, leisure.
Leisure.
Nah,
Lamis.
Yes.
What is you different and then is alone with I stay alone with myself. The same. I live alone at home. The same.
Iya boleh. Berarti itu menambahkan keterangannya ya. Keterangan tempatnya ada at home-nya boleh. I live alone. Jadi saya tinggal sendiri di rumah. Boleh. Oke.
Me alone I live alone at home.
Okay, I live alone at my home. Boleh? Yes.
Thank you.
Okay, thank you for asking, Daisna. Okay, leisure. We can say leisure, not leisure. Leisure or leisure. Leisure, my leisure time. Jadi waktu senggang. I use my leisure time. I have a leisure time to do some practice. Misalnya melakukan senam, yoga gitu ya, atau berkebun, gardening. In my leisure time, I spend my time in the garden. Jadi di waktu luang saya lebih suka menghabiskan waktunya di taman saya ya, in my garden. Atau mungkin mau menanam, suka tumbuh-tumbuhan. Planting itu menanam, atau gardening itu juga sama, planting or gardening. Alright. Okay. I think that's all for today's correction, yes. Sebelumnya ada yang ingin bertanya before we move to the reflection?
I am, Miss.
Yes. What is that?
Where do you come from, Miss?
Oh, okay. I'm from Aceh. I'm Aceh.
Okay.
Yes,
I think
in
you're
Banda
Malaysian.
Sorry?
Because I think you're Malaysian person. because
Oh,
your logat logat like Malaysian.
yes. Ya sebenarnya Aceh dekat ya dengan Malaysia. Jadi logatnya
Oh,
juga ada yang mirip dengan bahasa Malaysia ya. Gitu ya.
oh iya, pantesan. Oke, thank you, Miss.
Okay. All right, we move to reflection. Okay, what do you say about tonight meeting? Are you happy?
Yes.
Yes, of course.
Happy? Alhamdulillah ya. Okay, you are happy for today's lesson, right? Okay,
Miss.
Pak Ida, you raise hand. You want to ask something?
Yes.
Ya.
Saya ingin bertanya, kapan MS itu tanpa diikuti oleh penambahan ing?
Oh, ketika kata kerja tidak pakai ing.
Ya.
Iya, kalau kita kata kerja tidak pakai ing, berarti kita tidak perlu memakai to be. Jadi itu adalah present simple. I enjoy, I play. Jadi itu verb 1. Nah, kalau verb ing, berarti itu juga masih simple present, tapi itu udah continuous yang sedang berlangsung. Dan kita harus menambahkan is. Karena pasangan si verb ing ada to be-nya dulu setelah subject. I am enjoying. Gitu. Not, I am enjoy. Nggak boleh ada to be tapi nggak ada verb ing-nya.
Enjoy.
Apakah kalau diikuti oleh kata benda?
Yes, I'm sorry, diikuti kata benda, contohnya?
Apa ya? Yang seperti contoh kalimat nominal yang begitu.
Misalnya, I am enjoy gardening gitu. I am enjoy gardening. Saya suka berkebun.
Iya.
Iya, ada keterangannya lagi setelah itu.
Jadi harus ada keterangan lain dari kata kerjanya itu.
Yes, sebuah kalimat biasanya kalimat komplit dia ada subjek, ada kata kerja dan ada keterangan. Nah, keterangan itu ada beberapa keterangan. Kita bisa memakai keterangan tempat, keterangan waktu, keterangan cara. Yes. Keterangan tempat misalnya di mana? I cooking in the kitchen. Keterangan waktu. Keterangan cara. I cooking fastly. Saya memasak dengan cepat. Keterangan waktu. I cooking in the morning. Saya memasak. I am cooking in the morning. Saya sedang memasak di pagi hari gitu. Jadi ada keterangan, jadi sentence-nya lebih lengkap. Nah, kalau pada kalimat adjektif kita harus memakai is, tapi tidak ada to be, tidak ada kata kerja. Misalnya saya seorang guru, apakah ada kata kerja dalam kalimat tersebut?
Oh iya.
Kita bilang
I am
a teacher, ya kan? Nah, di situ ada to be, tapi nggak ada verb ing. Nah, itulah namanya kalimat adjektif.
Kata benda.
Yes, kalimat benda. Kalimat nominal, bukan kalimat verbal. Kalau kalimat verbal itu ada kata kerjanya. Kalau kalimat nominal seperti tadi saya seorang guru. So we still use atau to be, tapi kita nggak ada ing-nya ya, karena itu nominal. Jadi kita I am a teacher. I subject, itu sebagai verb-nya. Jadi to be itu dia dapat merangkap sebagai verb ketika dalam kalimat nominal. Karena dia nggak ada kata kerja tadi, ada verb-nya. Yes?
Yes.
Okay, you got it.
Thank you, Miss.
Okay, thank you very much for asking. Yes. Okay, next.
I am.
Yes, Mbak Isna.
And then I want to question about Miss. And then this is Miss proposal. Jadi ini usulan ya, Miss.
Yes. Gimana?
I want to ask if possible the topic of the lesson that will be discussed, please send it before we discuss it so we can study it at home.
Oh, okay. Yes.
So we are not so stiff in dealing with it. Examining, aku mau tanyakan kalau bisa topik pelajaran yang akan dibahas malamnya. Coba di-share ke itu. Jadi kita bahas di rumah bisa, Miss. Oke.
Okay, thank you very much, Mbak Isna, for your suggestion. Yes. Actually, I should ask, saya harus tanya adminnya dulu ya. Jadi biasanya ada di share link Zoom-nya dulu ya sebelum kita mulai meeting. Jadi sekalian di share materinya juga gitu ya, Mbak Isna. Agar dapat belajar gitu ya sebelum
Di rumah
kelas mulai.
belajar. Soalnya di tempat les yang lain, privat online yang lain tuh dikasih dulu kita belajarnya di rumah, vocabulary banknya, prim banknya. Jadi kita nggak kaku masuk ke sini.
Oh, okay, yes. Okay, thank you very much for your suggestion. I will ask ya. Nanti saya tanya. Mungkin bisa untuk dibagikan juga beberapa vocab atau materinya sebelum pembelajarannya dimulai ya.
Ya, thank you.
Yes, thank you very much for your suggestion. Oke, nanti saya akan tanyakan dulu ya.
Oke.
Oke, yes, Mbak Nur Hayati, do you raise hand? Do you want to ask something?
Saya nggak tahu nih, cuman terpikir aja, terlintas di pikiran gitu kan.
Ya.
Saya sudah 3 kali tidak masuk karena tarawih kami agak lama pulangnya selama puasa. Jadi bagaimana, dan sebelumnya kan kita udah praktek kayak gini juga. Bagaimana kalau seandainya, sebaiknya kalau menurut saya, Miss-nya kan kita dikasih tugas tuh 5-6 poin pertanyaan. Kita masing-masing kita peserta sudah menjawab sebatas kemampuan kami gitu. Bagaimana kalau Miss-nya coba juga cerita tentang dirinya sesuai dengan pertanyaan itu. Jadi setidaknya kita punya bahan untuk mengoreksi gitu. Di saat kita menyaksikan ulang video yang dibagikan gitu dia. Ada reviewnya, teman kita ada role modelnya gitu. Gimana bisa? Itu pertanyaan dari saya. Itu yang terlintas di pikiran saya. Dan menurut saya itu lebih efektif mempercepat kita paham di dalam merangkai kalimat atau dalam bercerita gitu dia.
Ya, oke. Yes, nice idea, I think ya. Oke, terima kasih. Mbak Nur Hayati. Jadi nanti setelah ada pertanyaan, saya juga ikut menjawab gitu ya, biar ada role model atau ini ya, contohnya ya.
Iya, endingnya, terakhirnya, nanti istilahnya Miss-nya yang mencoba menceritakan berdasarkan pertanyaan itu gitu. Jadi di saat kita review lagi materinya, di waktu senggang kita punya, oh ternyata ini pertanyaannya ya, ini begini ya gitu. Jadi kita tuh, kalau saya pribadi sih, jujur saya agak ngambang jadinya Mbak gitu. Karena kita belajar, kita perhatikan punya teman, ini gimana ya gitu dia Mbak. Kalau boleh itu permintaan. Mungkin teman-teman yang lain juga saya rasa tuh sama dengan kami itu gitu.
It's very nice. I agree.
Iya. I get along with you. Ya kan Bu, Pak. Kan lebih kita belajarnya tuh lebih kita punya role model di saat kita sendiri. Kita ada guru, oh begini ya kalau ini pertanyaannya, ini jawabannya, oh seperti ini susunan kalimatnya. Benar kan Bu?
Ya benar. Benar sekali.
Right, Bu.
Ya, bagus sekali usulnya Bu Nur.
Iya Bu,
Semoga bisa.
Ya mudah-mudahan diterima usulan kita Bu, karena istilahnya kalau menurut saya itu mempercepat pemahaman kita di dalam membentuk kalimat gitu. Memang speaking ini kita nggak butuh grammar, tapi nggak mungkin kita berbicara tuh suka-suka kita kan Mbak. Ada there is, ada there are gitu kan. Jadi kalau Mbak sudah ada role model kami, kalau kami punya waktu senggang, kami lihat YouTube-nya, oh begini ya. Setidaknya yang nggak bisa kami mengulangi semuanya, yang punya Mbak itu aja yang kami lihat gitu. Jadi ada pertinggalnya, ada arsipnya bagi kami gitu loh Mbak.
Of course.
Maaf ya Mbak ya.
Iya Mbak Nur Hayati, thank you ya for your suggestion. Nanti saya bisa bicarakan dengan ininya dulu ya, adminnya, untuk mungkin agak sedikit merubah ya caranya, yaitu nanti gurunya tuh teachernya juga memberikan contoh ya dari jawabannya. Jadi juga menjawab pertanyaannya gitu ya, biar ada contoh ya.
Banyak pedoman.
Yes,
Depannya
Miss.
saat menjawab
Tapi
pertanyaan.
endingnya, Miss, ending.
Ya,
Let's
di
say
ending.
Miss-nya yang
Jangan di awal, nanti kami contek.
Oh, berarti di endingnya gitu.
Ya,
Oke.
di ending.
Yes, the
Oke,
ending
mungkin nanti
maybe
boleh
I
next
think
ya.
Ya,
yeah,
di
okay.
ending.
Okay, we move through like reflection. Okay, nice to hear your suggestion. Okay, so what did you learn for today's meeting?
Daily routine.
You learn about daily routine.
About daily routine.
Sharing, yeah. Sharing
Yes,
experience.
actually it's time up. Jadi sebenarnya ini waktunya sudah habis ya mungkin ya. Karena 1 jam 15 menit maksimalnya. Tapi tadi karena ada yang bertanya dan memberi saran ya tidak apa-apa, saya terima, saya buka. Oke, jadi kita hari ini belajar tentang vocab ya, tentang daily activities. Yes. Okay, thank you very much for today's
Bye-bye.
meeting.
See you.
Yes.
Bye, see you.
Bye-bye.
Okay, nice to meet you.
Nice
Nanti
to meet you
akan saya
too.
tanya dan saya pertimbangkan juga nanti ya
Terima
untuk
kasih.
usulan-usulan malam ini. Terima kasih banyak. Yes, you may leave the Zoom.
Okay,
Thank
happy
you.
weekend.
Okay,
Nice,
good
Miss.
evening. Bye-bye.
Good night.
Good evening. Bukan good night, dia belum tidur.